Alright, let's do Windchill. Start with a blue 2x2 plate, or I guess you can use whichever color you prefer. A couple of modified 1x2 plates with the bars up top, followed by a pair of 1x2 plates with the toe balls, and a 2x2 tile on top. This will be making his lower torso. Next, this is very important. This type of 1x1 clips included should be this type and this type. This is the kind you want right now. That's very important. Two of those are going to go side by side, just like so. Top them off with a 1x2 plate with the two clips. Set that off to the side because now we're going to start his upper body. Let me just adjust my model so I can see what I'm doing properly. Start with, excuse me, a 1x2 plate with the bar, pair of 1x2 toe ball joints, just like that, pair of 1x2 clips. This is what you should be looking at right now. Now on top of that is going to go a 1x2 tile, and on top of that are going to go a pair of blue 1x1 clips. Just like that. Now around the back right here you are going to place a 1x1 plate, sorry 1x2, just regular plate, and a 2x3 plate on top of that, followed by a second 2x3 plate. Yep, commitment right there. Alright, set that off to the side. Now we are going to work on his backpack, which is going to start with a, sorry, not this one, inverted 2x2 bracket part. You're going to attach a 1x2 plate, 1x2 brick, 2x2 inverted bracket. So here's what you should have right now. And at the bottom, we're going to attach two more 1x1 clips. And those are just going to plug onto the back just like that. We can take his lower assembly that we put together earlier and clip it on. And that's most of his body done. Now we can start working on some of the more accessory bits. So setting that off to the side, we're going to start with a 1x2 plate with the bar. Attach the 1x1 clips. These are different from the ones we used earlier. These are far less important to stability than those were, so we can just use whatever. 1x2 plate with the bar. A 2x2 slope. Just there. Now we're going to bring in the 1x4 hinge pieces. And those are going to attach to either side, just like so. Attach the 1x1 slopes with no studs and the 1x1 tiles. Here's what we should be looking at. Do the same thing on the other side very quickly. Where's my other tile? There it is. And last but not least, the inverted round tile along the back. That can plug in just like that, and that forms his backpack. Now we are going to do his arms. I'm only going to do one arm, but the process is the same either way, just obviously reverse it for left and right. Starting off with the receiver end of the toe ball joints, attach a inverted tile, another receiver joint here, and a 1x2 tile. Now up top, a 1x2 toe ball joint, and we will add two 1x1 clips, just like that. A pair of 1x2 clips with the bar. I'm sure I'm going to make that mistake quite a few times. Then, there goes my model. Two more of these 1x4 hinge pieces. are going to be attached right here. You don't want this one folded up. This one can just kind of hang out. We'll start with this one. 1x2 plate piece with the clip. It's going to go along the bottom. 1x1 plate will go next to it. Add another slope with the no studs. And on top, right here, you're going to put a 1x1 cheese wedge, just for a little bit of detail. Finally, this bit gets a 2x2 tile, and on the bottom, a 2x2 inverted tile. Now this piece back here that we have kind of ignored is going to get a 2x3 plate, and along the bottom, just make sure you add a inverted 1x2 slope to just kind of keep it just a little bit of extra grip. Now you line up these tiles here. First a 1x6, then a 1x4, and then a 1x3. And this will make it very quick and easy for it to go from a wing to an arm and vice versa. So once you've got two of those done, you're going to attach to either side of the torso, just like that. And there you've got his arms done. Now let's do his legs. The legs are completely identical, so I'm only going to do one. Obviously just do it twice and you will have legs. 1x2 tile on a double-sided 1x2 toe ball. 1x2 receiver. Now, that's how you're going to want that. 1x1 plate along the bottom, and a second 1x2 bar, just like so. Then you're going to take one of these inverted slopes, attach it just there, and the proper one will be attached just like that. Last but not least, to form his feet and heels, 1x1 plate with a clip forms the toe, and 1x1 tile with the clip forms the heel. Do that twice, and you should have a pair of legs that are just gonna clip into the bottom there. Let's form his chest. I realized I've completely forgotten his chest. Very quick and easy. Bracket, bar piece, tile, 2x2 tile. So there's the chest plate right there. Quick and dirty. Slap that into place, fold it down. There's his chest. Now we'll do his head. Actually, we'll wait. Let's hold off on that. This bit's gonna go up here. There we go. So that's how we're going to start out. A tile on either side, just like so. 1x2 with the bar up top. 1x1 plate, 1x1 slope. So we can have the bird head or the robot head. T-bar joint plugs into the bottom. And the whole thing plugs up top. And there's Windchill, fully assembled.